episode of Yay Play Bikes. It has been quite some time, but you know, inflation sucks, the economy's terrible, you know, this economy. But no, currently we are on our way to Frick Park. We are meeting up with Fritz. Fritz is bringing a friend with him from West Virginia. Apparently this dude is steezy as balls. So this will be a great day. Hopefully we can learn something from him. We also have some new bike builds and some bike reveals today. Joe got a brand new bike through work. It's gonna be fucking awesome. I can't wait for you guys to see it. And equally as exciting, Adam Staniland also got a new bike, and I'm fucking pumped for this dude. So this is gonna be a really good day. We're gonna be riding, gonna be having fun. It's gonna be some squad stuff. And check in with you here in a few minutes whenever I pull into Frick. What's up, Doug?
What's going on, man?
How you been? Good, how are you?
I can't complain.
You riding with us today?
Yeah.
Yeah, fuck yeah. Joe, what do you got here? Is this what is this?
A sexy little new beast.
It's a 9 or what do they make? They make WFOs.
They make the UFO.
They make waffles.
We're gonna call it a UFO.
It's a waffle.
Hey, look, there's Fritz.
Okay.
Oh man, homie.
What's up, buddy? See you again, bud.
How's it going, man?
Chilling.
Oh, and Adam's bike is gonna be in his back of his car.
Thank
We're gonna
Christ.
build it here.
He got it.
He went to FedEx this morning. They were actually open, and they put it on the truck this morning to be delivered to his house. And he was like, no. So he went down, and the guy's like, I'll flag him down, and I'll get it off the truck and hand it right to you.
Good for him.
So he's getting it. He's like, he should have it at this point.
Yeah.
Okay. And then when he gets here, we're gonna build it. All right, boys, let's go. She's a little sendy. Watch your head. Watch your head on the exit. Watch your head.
It gets real muddy real fast.
This one gets sketchy.
Fun.
Ready? Ready? Steady. Falling. They closed it off. We gotta open that shit back up. Why would they close this shit off, motherfuckers?
I've only seen Joe come over here.
I've been looking at a couple lines off of here. You want to be like right in here. Don't look at me. That's it.
Yeah, see, my advice was terrible. I was saying aim for that tree. Generally.
Palm tree. Rock drop at Frick that I've been wanting to do. Yeah, buddy. That was sick! Don't make it look so easy, damn. Hold on. Get footage at the bottom. Oh, he went nose heavy.
Yeah, a little bit.
Good shit.
Did he have him deliver this?
Look, Stanny held him at fucking gunpoint.
He wasn't in his vehicle.
6-year-old.
Yo. Staniland held him at gunpoint for his bike.
They're gonna hold the FedEx guy hostage for his bike. My buddy's had a bike shipped to him today.
No, he's got it in his
Here,
car.
we're gonna build it in the parking lot.
You guys talking about? I'm like, they delivered it?
Yeah, I was like, wait, he make him deliver it to the parking lot? Like, I can't get it in the back of my car. Can you bring it to Frick parking lot for me? We like boxes of fun.
Hype for the new bike day.
I know.
Yeah, dude. You guys got new bikes. I got a new bed.
I had the opportunity to sell my bike.
I'm always looking for mattress racks, bro.
Yeah, dude. The original mattress factory. It's got a fucking like 12-year warranty, built by the Amish out in Ohio. Can't ask for anything better.
Yeah, I think Bradham might do it.
That's fine, yeah. You guys
Bradham while you guys build.
You know how to get there? You get that way.
I don't know how to get there.
So, what do we got, boy?
Ibis Ripmo AF.
Look at that. Where are we?
Fancy AF.
Where are
Frick Park.
we? We're building a bike in the parking lot of Frick Park. How fucking sick can that be?
It's just one of those days.
It is one of those days.
And
And you know, it's even cooler,
yesterday was one of those
so
days.
today is actually both of ours new bike day.
Yeah,
This man got the Ibis Ripmo AF, and then I got myself the Niner WFO. She's a little dirty. We've been shredding. Isn't it though? Let me give you this back.
I dig it.
Just getting wheels on it, boys.
Oh yeah.
Probably not. It's probably already been tuned. What are you doing? Go over to cassette first.
Huh?
Cassette first.
Oh, yeah, don't mind me. Oh, there she is in all her glory. Staniland, how do you stand?
Very excited.
Much excited, yes.
Much excited.
Yeah. Ripmo as fuck.
Ripmo as fuck.
Ready for
Drop test. Ooh.
Yeah!
Dropped all right.
From the sky! Look at this goofball. New bike. Dirty now.
I'm gonna follow someone Stevie, follow him.
Okay.
That's a good one, actually.
A little bit of video. That was pretty, senor. That was a fatty. Let's talk about this new bike day vibes. Let's talk about these new bike day vibes. Today is mint. Oh. That's what happens when the chain dropped down on the gear on me.
I didn't look too
It's mellow, but you want the speed to launch off into the berm. That's why I was going fast. We're trying to. And then the gear was like, I'm gonna jump now. Like mid-half, like heavy cadence, it was like, all right, now I'll give you the power. I also slid out of this too. All right, we're gonna do that. Sorry, you good? Get it!
Adam, how do you feel about your new bike? You dig it? I dig it. Joe, how do you feel about your new bike?
Dude, this thing is unreal.
How do you feel about your new mattress, Adam? I slept like a baby last night. Danny, Joe, and I are meeting up at North Park here, and we're just gonna continue on the new bike day vibes. We are going to Horns Hill in Ohio again, and we're gonna be riding and celebrating Joe's birthday. I think he's turning the dirty 30.
Maybe. Yeah, I think
Yeah, I think he's turning the dirty 30. So we'll see you in freaking Horns Hill in a couple of weeks. Peace.